Okay, for 108, they want us to find the equation of the line, so they give us all these points. First things first, we need to find the slope, right? So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now you can pick any points you want. I'm going to pick two positive points. I'm going to pick these so that I don't make a mistake with negatives. So y2 is 10, y1 is 4, x2 is 5, and x1 is 3. So the slope comes out to be 6 halves, so the slope is 3. So then we know slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. The slope is 3, so we have y equals 3x plus b. And then we can take any of the points up there and substitute in for x and y. So I'll just pick this point, right? So x is 3 and y is 4. So 4 equals 3, x is 3, plus b. So 4 equals 9 plus b. We subtract 9 from both sides, and we get negative 5 equals b. So b equals negative 5. So using this information and this, right? So we have two key pieces of information, the slope and the y-intercept. And now we can write the equation of the line. Y equals 3x, 3 is the slope, plus b, but it's minus because it's plus negative 5, and we write that as minus 5. So y equals 3x minus 5 is the equation of the line represented by that table.